Hello everybody, my name is Joel C Gamer J R. Welcome back to my channel. Today guys, we got some disaster compilation. You know what that means? Let's go.
Hello everyone. The power of nature is astonishing, even when it shows its anger. Today, we'll discover how it manifests its feelings through hurricanes, floods, and other dramatic events. Let's get it on.
So I'm assuming this is like a compilation, guys, of each disaster, like earthquake, flood, tornado, hurricane, lightning, other things like hail. I think could be just rock thing, ice, everything.
Residents of Iowa stopped to capture the sight of massive storm clouds, but nature decided to put on a real show for the camera.
I know you guys are laughing. I know. Let me say something about her. Sounds like aggressive motherfucking sneeze. Alright, let's go.
In 2023, one of India's cities faced a massive flood. A once calm river overflowed, turning into a destructive force that eroded the banks and swept away houses with ease. This driver was in the wrong place at the wrong time. One thing's for sure, he was lucky to get away with just a scare and a few scratches on the car. In less than 2 minutes, a completely dry spot was suddenly overwhelmed by a massive surge of water. Thankfully, no one was hurt, but they'll never forget such a dramatic display of nature's power.
How do you sleep at night?
On a mattress from Mattress Firm.
mean, all your stuff in there. Oh, it's gone. Oh, look at the cat. The cat's like, what the fuck is going on? The cat's like, what the heck? This is an earthquake.
In Taiwan, there are 2 to 4 earthquakes every year, but for cats, each one feels like a traumatic event. Landslides can be triggered by various factors, including a heavy rainfall. A dramatic example was recorded in India, where drivers, though safely away from danger, were shocked to see a section of a mountain crumble and vanish into a ravine before their very eyes.
Lava?
Hawaii
That thing
feels
will
like
fuck you up. Put your
paradise,
feet on that,
but
you're dead.
it can turn into a nightmare in an instant, all because of its active volcano, one of the most active in the world. If you're careful, you can marvel at the mesmerizing streams of lava, a sight you'd never experience in everyday life.
Look at that.
Achtung, Lawine! Lawine!
That's avalanche, right?
Thanks to this skier, you'll get to experience what it's like to be caught in a small avalanche. It's hard to call this just bad weather.
See, hailstorm.
It looks more like the beginning of an apocalypse. The hailstorm lasted only 5 minutes, but managed to cause significant damage to cars and houses. In 2023, one of India's states was struck by natural disasters. Torrential rains fell for several consecutive days, causing many rivers to overflow. During that time, the cities were hit by severe floods that destroyed everything in their path. Driving in the mountains is a true pleasure, with breathtaking views around every corner. However, it can also be quite dangerous. The car's dashcam recorded a moment that looked like an explosion, with a cloud forming in the air. At first glance, it could easily be mistaken for one, but in reality, it was the sudden collapse of an avalanche. Fortunately, everyone managed to stop in time. Now you know what 120 km/h winds looks like, and the kind of destruction such a wild force can unleash. Even century-old trees couldn't withstand its fury, and locals had to survive several days without electricity.
blew the fence out.
Right down next to our neighbor.
This is one of nature's ways of reminding us of its immense power. A video from Switzerland captures a massive landslide where 700,000 cubic meters of rock came crashing down in an instant.
Well, guys, we gotta stop it right there. You know what that means? I hope you like and subscribe. Please hit that like and also follow my short. And what that means, I love you guys. Stay safe.